In this video I will cover the Tradingview platform. So Tradingview is probably the most popular platform in the world right now for charting. And you will find it on the website tradingview.com, where you will have to make a user to be able to use this platform for free. And in the free account you'll have an ad appearing in a corner from time to time, which you can close. So you can still use it, but you'll be limited in the number of charts that you can use and the number of indicators you can add on your screen. And that's not a problem for this strategy, because you don't need, in my opinion, to have a paid membership for this platform if you want to use it. Only if you want to be more comfortable and not have ads on your screen and so on. So what I have here, it's a paid account. And Tradingview, they also have a Windows app. This is what I like, which works very well. It almost looks like a browser. So this is the Tradingview Windows app. You see it looks the same. It acts exactly the same, and everything you do here, it will save on the web platform, on the Windows platform, and in your phone app. You can also have an app on your phone for Tradingview. And it's a cloud-based platform. That means everything you do here, it's saved on their servers. So everywhere you access this platform, you'll have all your notes and everything you save inside here. So it's not like MT4, like MetaTrader 4, which will save everything on your computer. Now, around here, you can adjust those things, whatever you want them. So they usually have a drop-down menu, and if you add a star to things that you're interested in, it will add them as buttons around here. So as you see, I have candles and line. Here you also have bars, so you can change this chart into bars or a line or candlesticks. It works very well. Obviously you can change the colors. So if you go to settings, you have all type of settings around here. The body of the candles, one is green, one is black. The border, black, wicks, black. From here you have all type of settings. You can play around with them and see what changes on your screen. I'm not going to cover all of those, because all of them you can see what's going on in the screen. And for this strategy you don't need everything around here. To add an indicator on this platform, you go to indicators, you just write the name of your indicator, and then let's see. So if I write moving average, which is probably the most popular indicator, it will add the moving average on the chart. You see it with blue, and the options are inside up here. Around here you have the current asset that we're looking at, so it's Bitcoin US dollar. The daily time frame, right here you have the time frames, so you can add a star to all the time frames that you want to look at, and they will appear here. So we're looking at the daily time frame. In here you have the OHLC, so if you put your cursor on a candle, you can see these numbers above. Below you can see the date. On the right you can see the price right here when you add it on a candle. So you move it up, down. If you left click on the chart, you can drag it up, down, left, right. So you can, it's a little different than MT4. I like it more, it's more dynamic. And you can zoom from here and also zoom in, zoom out by using the scroll. On the paid account it also has a replay bar, so you can cut the chart from here, and if you click forward or play, you can just make them appear candle by candle, okay, or you can just play. You can use this for backtesting if you want. This is like to surprise yourself what happens if you think that is going to help you. On the left here you have a lot of tools that you can use. At the bottom you have show favorite drawing toolbar, which is this one. So this is a floating toolbar, is the only one. And you can add a few tools on this toolbar, and I'm going to show you how. So you have a lot of tools that you can take notes, and they are very nice. A lot of colors, very fast to use. And all of those, they come from here on the left side. And as you can see, here is a cross. So you can choose what type of cross do you want. And here you have trend lines, all type of lines, more than you will ever find in MT4. And if you add a star to them, they will appear on your favorite toolbar. So I have a few of those on my toolbar. And I'm going to show you what I use. Geometric shapes, brush, highlighter. So if you can make drawings on your screen. This is how you use those. You can have like a brush. You can design something that, I don't know, Bitcoin is going to do this. Okay. If you use this, you will delete everything you have on your chart. All the drawings, not other stuff, indicators and so on. We also have a rectangle here, so you can use this rectangle. You see, every time you use a tool, you'll have another floating toolbar, which is the properties of every tool you use. So if you see here, you have templates, colors, a lot of stuff. You can lock it, you can remove it, settings. So if I go to settings, I'll have style, border, and you can set the color of the border of the square with opacity if you want. You have the background, like the interior of the square. You can extend it left, right. You can write a text inside it if you want and just move it around. Colors, bold. Then you have the coordinates of the square, which is the price range, and then visibility, on which time frames do you want this to show or not. And those tools, you have them for all drawings, lines and other stuff. So if you use a line here, a line, you can use it in any way and it will remember the last settings. So in here I have like a dotted line. You can make it thicker, you can change the color, so you can do a lot of things. Then you can modify it, the line, or you can delete it. In here you have text, anchor text, note, anchor note, signpost, tweet, callout, balloon. So it has a lot of stuff. You can add like a simple text. You write something here. You can add a background, you can add a border, text wrap. How big do you want the text to be? Colors again. So you can have something like this if you want. Then from here you have all type of tools for trading, for harmonics, patterns, Elliott stuff, and other tools. This is one of my favorite menus because I can choose some stuff from around here. So you can, I don't know, this is Bitcoin. Look, you can put a Bitcoin sign if you want. You can change its color. Let's delete it. Here we have a ruler to measure, zoom in. This is a magnet. Drawing mode, local drawings. So in here, if you want to design something, like let's say I want to design a square that embodies this candle. So if I want to do it from the high to the low, so you can hold Control key and it will snap. You see the magnet here turns on. It will snap to various parts of the candle. So you can add your square exactly there, and then I can grab this part of the square and click Control again and it will snap there. So this square is perfectly from the high to the low if you want to have that precision. Or if you draw a line and you want this line to be perfectly horizontal, you can just grab it from here and you press Shift and now it's straight or 45 degrees. So this would help. So those are all the tools. You can play around with them to see what's going on. In here you have the trading panel where you can connect a broker if you have one. You can also check here if Tradingview supports your broker. It has a lot of brokers, but not all of them. Or you can connect paper trading by Tradingview and you can just demo trade with them if you want. So this platform has many features that you can use. It's obvious, it's the most evolved, probably affordable trading platform, because there are very good trading platforms out there, but they are also expensive. There can be hundreds of dollars per month, over $100 per month, which is a lot of money. And then here, if you add, so this is the indicator, this is the moving average, you can double click on it. If you double click on anything, it will go straight into settings. And in here, we modify the length. And in this strategy, you will see we will use a 20 period length for this indicator. In this course, we will study only the indicators that we are going to use here, because I want to tell you exactly how to use them. In here, you'll have a watch list, so you can add all your favorite assets here. Like in a list, I have SP, Dow Jones, and other indices around here. You can have alarms and alerts that you can add on the chart for when price gets there. You're gonna get a ring on your phone, on your computer. So this is very nice. I like this. News, data window, useless stuff. I never use this. Hot list, calendar, I don't use this. Ideas, no. Chats, no. I never use this. Notifications, you'll see. Order panel. DOM, no. Object tree, so this, everything you add on the chart will be added here like in a tree. You see trend line, you see rectangle, and if you select them with control, you can create a group of drawings, then you can hide them and show another group. This is a very useful tool, I like this. So Tradingview, it's a very useful platform. You're going to see me using this on the course. I'm also showed you MT4, because it's a free platform that everybody uses, so it's very accessible for everyone. If you want to use other platforms, that's okay. It's no problem. I'm sure you'll find the moving average there. You have to find the moving average there. I'm not sure about other indicators, but you can, for the MT4, you can download them. I'm already showing you how to do that in the video. So you can try them all and choose whatever platform is good for you. See you in the next video.